Today what we're going to do is we're going to do some 3-2-1 pickling, and a really simple way to pickle and a really quick way. So for this, what I've got is some sugar, just granulated or cast as fine. Vinegar, I'm using white wine vinegar here, but normal malt vinegar is absolutely fine. And then the third part of it is water. So 3-2-1 just literally means we do 3 parts water, 2 parts vinegar and 1 part sugar. So whatever your measurement is, we do it in that ratio. So a little bit of maths involved with that one. And what I'm going to be pickling today is I've got some beautiful wild garlic here. So I'm going to be pickling wild garlic, but you can pickle absolutely anything. Any of the vegetables that you've got in the fridge, maybe you're not going to use up in time, you can then just put them into any jar and just pickle them. The jars, I've just got old jars here. I've got some boiling water in there at the moment, which just sterilises the jars before I put the other ingredients in there. So let's see how we get on. So I've put my 3 water into my pan, and then I'm just going to measure out 2 vinegar. And I'm using just any cup at home. Put 2 of the vinegar in there, and just measured out my 1 sugar. Just dip that in the water, get the rest of the sugar out of the cup. And then all we do is we just heat that up and bring that to the boil. We don't need to reduce that, we just want to get rid of all the sugar inside there and get it all dissolved. So my pickle is on now, and that's just going to dissolve. And then what I'm going to do is just cut my wild garlic down to a manageable size so it goes into the jars. I'm going to make sure I put some of the flowers in there, and also some of these lovely leaves. And remember, you can use any vegetables that you want, especially root vegetables are really good for this process. So the pickle's now boiling, that's ready to go, and I've put all of my stuff I want pickling in there. Remember, this is all wild garlic, but you can use whatever you wish. And then, being very careful, because obviously it's boiling water, we then just fill these up with this pickle, and then put the lids on there, and that will cool down. And pickle everything. So just fill the jars up with the pickling solution. And that's my pickled garlic all done. I'll leave them to cool overnight, and then they'll be ready to eat from tomorrow onwards.